how do these vaccines work? There are four primary ways that different vaccine platforms are brought to market. And the central concept in all of them is that what you want to do is expose the body to a harmless part of the virus that will induce an immune reaction and prevent future illness. One of the big questions in patients and the community is this mRNA mechanism of the vaccines that we're seeing in the market right now. And I think in part of that is it kind of sounds like science fiction that you're using mRNA, but it's not science fiction. It is science. So once the vaccine is injected, mRNA is taken up by white blood cells around the injection site, and the mRNA is like a message that tells the cell to make the spike protein that you see on the outer blob of the virus particle. That spike protein then appears on the surface of those white blood cells, where it's not going to do any harm, but it does induce an immune response. Then that mRNA that was in the vaccine goes away. Enzymes in the body naturally degrade it and dispose of it. No live virus ever enters the body from these vaccines. No genetic material enters the cell nucleus. It would be pretty impossible for these mRNA vaccines to somehow alter cellular DNA. And that's one of the rumors that I think people are very unsettled about is how do you communicate that mRNA does not alter your genetic material? So I've had some people describe it as like a Snapchat message that you see it and it goes away. I don't relate to Snapchat. I think of it like a post-it note. So, I leave myself a post-it note of all the things I'm going to do today. I do them, and then I toss the post-it note. That's what these mRNA messages are. It's a post-it note. The cell does the thing and then tosses the message away. So that's how I tend to understand it, or people of my generation, I think maybe would understand it.